Today I'm checking out this 2-pack lock set. I was sent this at no cost so I can do the review. Let's get this thing out of the box so we can check it out. All right, like I said, this is a 2-pack. So this is one box of the product and this is another box. I left the hardware in this bag because we didn't need to all pull it out. But this is what it comes with. It comes with the lock itself, and it's a cool little lock that's going to go inside of there. And these are the keys for it. These are the 2 pieces that you bolt to your door that you're going to close and lock together. And then it comes with the bolt hardware that you need to bolt this down to whatever you're going to put it on. Now, how this works is one of these would be on each one of the doors. When the doors come together, this would line up like this in the middle. Then you would take your key and you would have your lock unlocked. And this little, section here is going to come out and it's going to open it here. Probably should let the key in. Then you're going to go over here and you're going to put it over the middle section of where this would be when you have your doors put on. And when you have the keys like this that are on top, you're going to push this in. You're going to turn the key to lock it, and then you're going to pull the key out. And when you go to pull this, it's going to be locked. Just put that pin through there. So this pin right here that you see now just went through this hole here that's going to lock these two together. So if I lift this up, of course it's not bolted down, but it's going to lift both of these pieces up. That's because the pin went through that. So I'm going to put these on some shipping container doors that I built, and that is framed up with 2-inch steel tubing, which is really going to work well with these bolts that it came with. Now, if you're going to be bolting this onto something pretty flat and small, you may need some carriage bolts that are threaded all the way down or shorter with threads. But if you're going to be going through something that's got at least 2 inches of thickness, then these carriage bolts should make it all the way through it no problem and bolt down. So that's everything that comes with it. I hope this information was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.